years old. Yes? Ganito, harap po tayo. Ay, usap po tayo. Hello po, this is Mami D po. You know Mami? You think so? How about you? You think so? Ano ba itong mga think so rito? Hirapan tuloy ako. Where are you came from, sir?
Sweden.
Oh, Sweden. How about you, sir?
Sweden.
Oh, Sweden. How about me?
Very good.
Oh, very good. Can you have a one microphone? Ayan. One phone. This is not lollipop, that's phone. Oh, check first. Ayan, check. Pop. You know Manny, my son. Manny Pacquiao. You know, use microphone to speak. You when you speak, you use phone, right? Book? Ano, hindi ka mabaho? Book? Shortcut, book? How old are you, sir?
27.
Oh! How old are you, sir?
31.
Oh! That's all yung helmet, sir. Tapos naman yung biyahe. What do you have the helmet? Once again, sir, what's your name? Nichols? Nichols! Oh, hirapan tuloy ako, Nichols. How about you, sir?
Christopher.
Christopher! How about me? This is Mami D, right? Can you sing? Can you sing?
Oh.
No. So, how about you, sir? Can you sing?
Not really.
No also. I am also no. Ay, nagkulirapan tuloy ako dito. Kaya po to. Wala, di ba kayong mga Pinoy, we are flexible, right? Oh, right? 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 What bring you here, sir? What bring you here? What did you do to Philippines? Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Can you get the phone, sir? If you mind, Ayan, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Are you Pinay?